the second line. Here we go. So it's about using enough bow on the first note so you have enough bow to come back with on your second bow. Okay, so 3, 4. 1, 2. So use a fast light bow and then a slower bow for the longer note. Ready? 3, 4. Keep the slurs nice and smooth. First position, swap. Swap. So try that second line. We have triplets. I say it like that so you remember the 3 parts. Triplet, triplet. So we have first position, same note, but play it with a 1. Remember that your arm takes your hand to the new position. Same note, but with 1 again. And then back to first position. So the timing goes like this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, now we retake for a down bow because this bit is louder and it's a little quicker. 3, 4, 1. So that first one will be first position with an open. And then retake again, little quaver rest allows us to do that quietly. 4th position. Back to first position, up bow this time. Louder. Save the bow, lean into it. Swap to a 1. Triplets, actually, they're very amenable because you play the note you need and then you swap and you play the same note but with the new finger in the new position. So it really helps you. You're hearing the note you need to find with your new shift. So try that bit with me. This is bar 19. 4th finger, first position. 3, 4. Swap, back, the arm takes the hand to the new position. Just keep the bow flowing. As you shift, keep the bow moving and that supports the shift and just keeps it sounding lovely and confident and controlled. So the beginning of that line, bar 19. Swap. Rit there, ritenuto, slowing down. So this is bar 19 in time. And then we slow down, let it be tired, and back into a tempo, the a-tempo, first speed. The next bit, loud. 3, 4. 1. Plenty of heavy bow. Fast bow, slow bow for the long notes. That tiny little bow on its own. So from the a-tempo, this is bar 29. Look at the bowing. These are equal. Fast, slow, fast, slow, fast. But you don't want to dig in, otherwise that note will really stick out as it kind of did then. Have a listen again. 3, 4. Equal bowings first. Fast, fast and light. Light and fast, but you do have to move. So you can try that. Then the next bit, 3, 4. Slow bow, slowing down, it's getting tired. off, make us wait. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. And you can just let that bow get to the very, very end, and you lift it off, not by doing a whoosh, but just lift it off as if your hand is continuing to go up, and then the note will wisp away. Okay?